Holland Fiat India started his operations way back in 1999. It's a $19 billion group. Today, New Holland is one of the pioneers in crop solution business, and we are covering almost like 98% market share. Whereas in tractor equipment, we have an approximately a market share between 5 to 6%. I am here in New Holland Fiat for the last 12 years, and I am responsible for information and communication technology for India and Southeast Asia. So I am responsible for the ag business as well as the construction equipment business in the country. Apart from this, the last more than 2 years, I am now handling an additional responsibility of supply chain management for agri equipment business. The challenge was that how do we control our cost and consolidate our information. A couple of years ago, we evaluated these softwares and we had Cognos as one of the BI solution, but somehow that was implemented only to that extent of financial reporting and financial consolidation. But Cognos being a very resource hungry analytics, we thought that we could switch over to ClickView, and we started with our sales and marketing, after sales service and a parts business for implementing ClickView. We have over the country 14 CBUs, these are called commercial business units. The idea was that since we had two big data sources, one was our ERP and second was our web applications. These are the primary two data sources where we are pulling the data and deploying the data onto ClickView. The speed or the velocity of implementers was excellent. We could turn around in probably less than 2 months' time and create this visibility to our users. We have integrated on iPad right now, but most of the users are still using laptops and connecting to ClickView. In the process, probably in this year, we plan to give them tabs, and so that they can always use the ClickView on move. The success of ClickView was primarily that we could pull certain data elements in such a way which was helping my users or my sales teams faster to take a decision. The risk analysis or risk mitigation information which is going to get out of the BI was a quick success on our part. Apart from this, on the service side, how many tractors have been delivered to the end customers by dealers, whether need to be installed and how many are due for services. This information was readily provided by ClickView. Believe me, the ROI was something we could really get a return in less than 2 months' time. The reactions was very positive, and that's the reason I have today 85 licenses of ClickView, starting with a small 5-user license. And this rapid had happened within 6 months' time. There is tremendous amount of IT pressure has reduced because people are using for themselves. And today I would say that we have migrated ClickView not only from sales service and after sales service and parts business, but most of our financial reporting which was earlier there in Cognos has been migrated onto ClickView. And I'm now extending this ClickView towards manufacturing and supply chain. Having built a quick success story within India, we are now taking ClickView on an international region. An international region consists of India, China, Southeast Asia, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, and part of CIS countries, which is Russia. So it has been recognized as one of the excellent solutions, and now we are taking at an international region. So that itself shows the success story of ClickView. The people especially who are deployed here were quite knowledgeable, and one of the success story why we could really build in such a short span of time was the velocity which Team Computers provided in deploying the solutions. Customizing some of the reports and deploying it was very fast. And one commendable job I would say by Team Computers which are done, we had something on Cognos which was in less than 2 months' time, it got migrated onto ClickView. So I would say it was a commendable job. I have already recommended Team Computers at my international level region. So I think we look forward for an effective association with Team Computers. I keep recommending to my CIO fraternity that ClickView is something very light and easy to deploy. And if you really want to build a quick success story in your organization, try ClickView.